Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add magnifier to our video on InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to click on video and select new to start creating new project. And for example, I'm going to add a video from my download album, this one guys, and we can click on the check mark to import the video to our project. Okay, now it's time to add magnifier to this video. If we want to add magnifier, we can click on the text menu and then you can select detail, and here you can choose magnifier. Okay, and you can place the magnifier to any part of your video you want to zoom in. For example, I'm going to place it right here, and then we can customize the border of the magnifier. You can use the slider to customize the border, and then you will be able to change the border color as well. You can choose the color that you like, and for me I'm just going to select the black color, and you can choose the border size or the thickness of the border, and here you can zoom in or zoom out the border, and you can adjust the blur effect as well. You can make it a blur on the border. Okay, and I'm just going to use the border line. Okay, and you can zoom in or zoom out the part you want to add magnifier to. You can use the slider to zoom in or zoom out on the part you add magnifier to. Okay, and I'm just going to make it bigger again, and I'm going to increase the size of the magnifier. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result guys. Then you can place this magnifier to any part of your video, to any section of your video, and I'm just going to put it right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add magnifier to our video on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.